Welcome to another Miss Prep lesson. Boost your English fast with high-impact vocab. The first word is enlarge. The unfair decision enraged the players and their fans. His rude comments enraged everyone in the room. Can you guess the meaning from these sentences? Yes? It means to make someone extremely angry, to fill with rage. Next up we have the word entitle. This ticket entitles you to free entry and a drink. Completing the course entitles you to a professional certificate. Can you see the meaning of this word from the examples? Let me tell you. The meaning is to give someone the legal or official right to do or have something. Word number 3 for today is enumerate. She enumerated the reasons for her decision clearly and calmly. The report enumerates all the steps required to complete the project. These example sentences show the meaning. To list things one by one, to mention items separately. Moving on to our next word, which is enlist. They enlisted volunteers to help organize the event. He decided to enlist in the army after finishing school. Here you can guess the meaning. Meaning, to persuade or get someone's help or support. To join the armed forces. Now one of my favorite words, enhance. The following examples make the word clear. Can you find the meaning? Good lighting can enhance the overall atmosphere of a room. Regular practice will enhance your speaking skills. So think a little. If you practice something, you get better. Right? So the meaning is to improve something, to make it better. Or more effective. Did you get it right? Endorse is the next word. The celebrity endorsed the brand on social media. The committee endorsed the new policy unanimously. And the meaning, to publicly support or approve of someone or something. The next word for today is endure. She had to endure months of intense training. Their friendship endured despite the distance. Can you find the meaning? Let me ask you. Is training always fun and enjoyable? No. Did the friendship continue despite the distance? Yes. So, endure means to suffer or tolerate something difficult over a long period, to last. The final word for today, enforce. If you like today's lesson, please subscribe and like. Leave a comment for any words you'd like explained. Now for the word, enforce. The police enforce traffic laws to keep roads safe. Schools must enforce strict safety regulations. Laws have to be followed. So, we can see that enforce means to make sure a law, rule, or agreement is obeyed. Now for some practice. Pause the screen to give yourself time to think.